A warm welcome to the unboxing of the Sentinum Febris, a stylish sensor for indoor humidity monitoring. We ordered this sensor for testing and deploying them in different locations throughout the project. Along with it, there were two beautiful flyers, one featuring the product portfolio from Sentinum. The sensors all look quite stylish, and I hope that we will soon have the Hyperion here with us again. But as I said, you will gradually see the other sensors here on the channel. Then we have the configuration app from Sentinum itself, but that's a different video. Here, it's really just about unboxing the sensor and showing what was included. Keyword: what was included? In the overall package, there were 10 AA lithium batteries included for all the sensors I ordered. I think that's fantastic. They are also classic AA batteries, as you will see shortly. So, let's dive right in. Sentinum manufactures this sensor. As mentioned, it is a small package, nothing too fancy. We have the CE marking on it, of course, and the address where it originates from. Says here, it provides visual feedback through the traffic light system, acoustic feedback via a buzzer, and configuration through the NFC app using the Link QS app. Yes, there are some sensors versions, with different technologies. That's why I think there is options marked on the packaging. But come on, let's dive right in. Simple cardboard packaging. There we go. Sentinum Febris. I quite like the design. To be honest, I can easily imagine it hanging in my place or here with us in the office. Let's see where they ultimately ends up in our project. Comes with 3 traffic light style LEDs on the front. As mentioned, it also has an optical signal and acoustic indicator. We will see that shortly. Now I'll show you what is included. The sensor itself is an indoor sensor. If we take a screwdriver here, and with just a little force, we can easily open the back cover. You can screw the back plate somewhere, and then attach it accordingly. It comes with 4 slots for AA batteries, an on-off switch, which I find great for configuration, and the sensor package. As I said, nothing wild at all. It also looks very interchangeable if you ask me. Yes, I mean user-friendly for sure. I can open it. I can change the batteries. I find that an important point, especially since it takes AA batteries that can also be found in a typical household. Here we use the included lithium AA batteries. That will give us a longer runtime. So, and attention, now comes my favorite moment. There go the lights. It is probably starting the join mode here now. That's already the whole unboxing. It goes that quickly, and getting 10 of them started is not that complicated. As I said, remove the back cover, insert the AA batteries, turn on the switch, and that's the entire unboxing and setup of the Sentinum Febris. If you want to see what data it sends, how we integrate it, and where it ultimately ends up, then you'll have to wait for another video, because as I said, this is just the unboxing for now. I thank you very much, and say goodbye with a V. Robert from Kayna-Funkt.